Dell Pro Smart Docks simplify IT management. Today, we'll cover zero-touch onboarding with the Dell Device Management Console. To enable zero-touch provisioning of your Dell Pro Smart Docks, ensure certain requirements have been met. First, make sure the Smart Dock's wireless configuration policy has been created. Next, verify that your firewall is configured to allow traffic on specific ports, and that your network is configured to support DHCP, auto discovery, or DNS SRV records to allow Dell Pro Smart Docks to register the right URL. Dell Pro Smart Docks ordered directly from Dell can be set up for zero-touch enrollment. For automatic order retrieval, click on Settings, then go to the Order Retrieval tab and select Manage Order Retrieval. Next, click Add Email under the Automatic tab. Enter the email address specific to you, and finally, click Create Email. Alternatively, you can manually import the orders by searching the order number or the sold to email. And finally, click Submit. After the order is retrieved, the service tags of the pre-authorized Dell Pro Smart Docks are populated into the peripherals list. Enroll the Dell Pro Smart Dock by plugging the Ethernet cable into the RJ45 port on the back of the dock. Next, check if the Dell Pro Smart Dock connects to Wi-Fi. Under the Peripherals section, click the Dock Service tag under the Identifier tab and verify that the dock has an IP address. The cloud LED icon on the Dell Pro Smart Dock should be solid white, indicating a successful Wi-Fi connection. With Dell Pro Smart Docks and the Dell Device Management Console, managing your PC peripherals ecosystem is simple, secure, and efficient.